You ever sit in your driveway after a 9-hour shift, engine off, just staring at the steering wheel? Your back aches. You're exhausted, but you don't go inside yet because you're sitting there doing the mental math, realizing the paycheck that just hit your account is already gone. Rent, the car note, insurance, groceries that somehow cost $180 for 2 pathetic bags of food. It's suffocating. I swear, if one more smiling finance guru on the internet tells me I just need to stop buying coffee to fix my life, I'm gonna lose my mind. Coffee isn't the problem. The problem is you are being bled to death. Quietly. Slowly. And the sickest part of it all, you probably clicked agree to let them do it. Most people think going completely broke is this massive dramatic event, right? Like you lose your job, or you have this huge medical emergency, and boom, bankruptcy. But honestly, that's not how it works anymore. Today, financial ruin is quiet. It looks normal. I remember looking at my bank statement a few months back. I was paying $40 a month for a gym I hadn't stepped foot in since, last Thanksgiving? Another $15 for some streaming app I didn't even watch. And I remember thinking, whatever, it's just $50. But that right there, that exact thought, that is the trap. They don't actually want to bankrupt you. Bankrupt people can't pay. They just want you dependent. Just comfortable enough to keep going to work, but broke enough that you can never actually stop. I mean, look around. We don't even own anything anymore. We just rent our lives. You want that new iPhone? Hey, no worries, just $35 a month. Need a couch from Wayfair? Just $40 a month with Affirm. Man, people are out here using Afterpay for a cold burrito on DoorDash at 11 p.m. It's insane. I saw an article the other day where a car company was trying to charge a monthly subscription to unlock the heated seats. His car the guy already bought. They figured out the ultimate cheat code. Why sell you something once when they can keep their hands in your pockets forever? And it gets worse, because then you open Instagram or TikTok, and everyone is just flexing. Everyone's in Tulum. Everyone's driving a Tesla. Everyone's got the perfect modern farmhouse kitchen. And you sit there feeling like a total failure. But here is the dirty little secret nobody wants to talk about. That guy revving the Tesla, he is probably losing sleep in a cold sweat over an $850 monthly payment. We are a society that is financing the appearance of success instead of actually building it. It's all performance art for strangers we don't even like. And the banks, man, they're laughing all the way to the vault. They know human psychology. They know if you have to hand over physical cash, like actually count out Benjamin Franklin's, it physically hurts your brain. But swipe a plastic card or just tap your phone, no pain. Just a quick hit of dopamine until the bill comes, and then you're stuck staring at that minimum due box. Let me tell you something about minimum payments. They are the biggest, most evil legal scam in America. They are mathematically designed to make you feel safe, to make you feel like you're handling your business while secretly keeping you chained to that debt for the next 15 years. And maybe you're thinking, well, I just need to make more money. If I get that promotion, I'll be fine. Will you? Because I've seen it 100 times. You grind, you hustle. You finally get that raise. You finally have a little breathing room. But what happens next? You upgrade the apartment. You trade in the beat-up Honda for a Lexus. You get a nicer watch. You go to nicer dinners. And suddenly, boom, you're right back to staring at the steering wheel, wondering where the hell the money went. The system wants you stressed, because stressed, exhausted, insecure people, they buy things. When we feel empty, we consume. When we feel behind in life, we spend money trying to buy our way back to the front of the line. So, what do? How do you actually beat a game that is rigged against you from the day you open your first checking account? Honestly, you have to stop playing their game. Because freedom isn't a massive bank account or a shiny car in the driveway. Freedom is just needing less. It's canceling the BS subscriptions. It's driving the old car with the dent in the door and not caring what your neighbor thinks. It's aggressively opting out of this exhausting, invisible treadmill. Because until you actually look down and see the trap you're standing in, you are never, ever getting out. So what do you actually do? You start small, brutally small. You open your bank app tonight, not tomorrow, tonight. And you find one subscription you forgot you were paying for. Cancel it. Right now. That's not financial advice. That's just you taking 1 inch of your life back. Because here's what they never tell you. The trap only works if you don't see it, and you just saw it. So I want to know, drop it in the comments right now. What's the one subscription, one payment, one financial thing you know is bleeding you that you've just been too comfortable to cut? And if this video made something click for you, the next one is going to make your stomach drop. See you there.